no! Crash. Just
Forest?
yeah, just straight. Oh. I can see it. I see it. I found it. Oh no! You know what I've been thinking about lately? Success. And not in the traditional kind. The promotions, the bigger house, the nicer car. You know, those kind of things. I'm talking about something different. A few months ago, we made a big decision. We left Ho Chi Minh City, massive city, 30 million people, for the hustle, the traffic, the pollution, and we moved to the countryside in Hoi An. A lot quieter, closer to nature. A lot of people thought we were crazy, but here's what I realized. I could keep chasing more in the city, or I could design a life where moments like this are just known. For 2026, I made a decision. My metric for success isn't going to be revenue or followers or any of that stuff. It's this: moments worth remembering. The kind of moments that make you feel completely alive. The ones you'll remember when you're 80 years old. And as we're riding here through this valley in Vietnam, my wife, my 3-year-old daughter, Evelyn, can just feel it. This is what I'm chasing. This is why we moved. Oh my god, look at that view.
Oh, that is so wanting to swim, man. Keep going a little. Oh, babe, this video is going to be amazing because you've got the glare, the sun glare.
I'm gonna put the drone up soon. And we pulled up in this camping, like, new place along the river, mountains everywhere, river reflection in the sky, and I see these paddle boards and I knew immediately this is exactly what a good adventure looks like. Look. And so we're out there on this board with my daughter. Everything else just disappears. The business, the to-do list, the emails. None of that matters, of course. She's laughing every time I wobble the board. She's like playing in the water. I'm making sure she's safe. We're just completely in this moment together. Her giggles are everything. And this is the goal. This is what building a business is actually for. It's not for buying more stuff. It's to create more of this. Let's go. Let's go, Evie. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Good job. Hold on tight. No, leave it. Just film. Film. Show me. Okay. So I've got my drone with me and I thought I'd capture this moment from above. I'm flying it from my paddleboard because, you know, why not?
Oh,
and
no.
there it goes, straight in the jungle.
Crash. Can we paddle over there? It's on the corner. Just, it's like straight there.
I see your forest in Rago.
Here, look. It's just across the water, so
In the
this is where we are.
just forest.
Yeah, just
A year
straight on
ago, I
the-
would
on the
have been
corner.
crushed, like
Just on
so
the
scared to
thing.
lose this piece of equipment.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
expensive.
Yeah, just there.
But out here, after this whole experience
Rescue
with
mission.
Evelyn, I barely felt it. I was almost excited, to be honest. Like, yay, now we got another adventure to go and recover it.
Rescue!
The moment I just had there with my daughter, that's already worth more than any drone in the world. And I can't lose an experience. I can't break a memory.
So crashed my drone. Well, I think the problem was I took off from the paddleboard, so the calibration was off and it was not stationary in the air, and I was drifting downwards into the trees. Yeah, I can make it beep. Beep, beep, beep. It should be right here. Oh. Okay, wait, you can hear it? Yeah. Okay. It's gonna be in the tree, huh? Maybe, we'll see. Yeah, it's getting closer. Oh, wait, I'm stuck. I can see it. I see it. Yeah. Oh, but it's very difficult. It's here on the floor with so many thorns. Colin. I think if we go here and then go around.
People small. You go.
You want to go?
Yeah.
It's difficult, huh?
Lucky and
Well,
no, not lucky.
lucky, not lucky.
Này, nói là được hai ngón bài là. Bên này đúng không?
Okay, the guys are gonna try to go straight for it because it's full of thorns and it's steep, and I'm gonna look for a way around it. Okay, we're making way through. I guess I have to give the guys a tip or two. I like as in pay them. I'm here. I got it. I found it. While the guys tried to go through the thorns, I found it. Man, it's so good that it has this function. Oh no, broken. Okay, no more camera. Yeah, broken. That's not good. My wife will tell me off for it. Hey, but we got an adventure out of it. We made it out of the jungle.
So me and these two local guides literally climbed through the jungle to find it. And yeah, we got it. But honestly, the whole thing just proved the point. We spent so much energy chasing things, protecting things, worrying about things. But the real world, it's the moment that make you forget about all of that. 2026 for me isn't about building something bigger. It's about creating more days like this. More moments where the things I thought mattered just don't. That's the goal, and that's real success.